What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video we're talking about gold investing in 2021 and why you need to be buying gold. So let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so recently silver's been getting a lot of attention from the mainstream media, and there's a lot of new people flooding into precious metals. Many of them are turning to online bullion dealers to purchase their silver, and they're finding that the premium on these silver products is well above the spot price. Now, typically silver has a higher premium than gold, but because the supply of retail investment silver is extremely low from all of this new demand, the premiums have gone up even higher. Some savvy investors have turned to gold investment products because the premiums are lower. However, I realize as a new investor, you might be cautious when making your first gold purchase because gold does cost a lot more than silver. Now, whether it's your first time buying gold or if you've been stacking for a long time, it's important to understand the reasons for investing in gold and the fundamentals for why gold prices should be moving higher in the future. If you've been watching my videos for a while, then you'll remember me talking about how much currency creation the government is doing and how this will cause inflation down the road. Rather than just hear it from me, though, I think that U.S. Global Investors CEO Frank Holmes concisely summed up the compelling case for gold when he said, "I think ESG, or environmental, social, and corporate governance investments, are going to become more important. I think we're going to see gold prices trade higher just because this money printing is not going to go away." Noting that total stimulus, both monetary and fiscal, has now reached $10 trillion, CEO Frank Holmes is watching for $4,000 gold in 2021. So maybe you're saying to yourself, okay, gold is likely going to go higher, silver is likely going to go higher as well. Why does it really matter which one I buy of the two? And to be honest, right now, they're about even in my eyes. However, there is one very important thing which I did previously mention, and that is the premiums on silver. To understand this better, we're going to look at the gold to silver ratio. Right now, it is sitting in the high 60s. However, this is the paper gold to paper silver ratio. This doesn't account for any premiums. If you wanted to buy a 1 ounce American Silver Eagle right now, that would run you around $40. A 1 ounce American Gold Eagle would run you around $2,000. So the Gold Eagle to Silver Eagle ratio would not be 1 to 67, it would be 1 to 50. When the gold to silver ratio goes down, this is basically saying that gold is becoming undervalued compared to silver. For me personally, when it is under 60, I prefer to stack heavier on the gold side and less on the silver side. Now, the average gold to silver ratio for all of the 20th century was 47 to 1, and it looks like we're headed that way. So what's a better buy right now, gold or silver? Well, in my eyes, gold is a little bit better of a buy. And unless the premiums or the spot price on silver come down, it's not going to really change for a while. Now, in regards to how to invest into gold, the safest way is definitely just to buy physical gold. This is what I prefer to do. However, when you buy physical gold, there's not a lot of potential for massive gains because this is basically just a store of wealth. If you're looking to grow your wealth, I recommend investing in gold mining stocks. The one gold mining stock we'll be talking about in this video is Winston Gold. Winston Gold is a junior mining company focused on advancing high-grade, low-cost mining opportunities into production. They've acquired the underexplored and underexploited Winston Gold project near Helena, Montana. Winston Gold has just released some awesome news, and that is they've actually gone into production. That's right, they are mining gold. It is rare for a junior miner to go into production, so this investment opportunity could have tremendous upside potential, especially if we see higher gold prices in the future. Now, you might be saying to yourself, Okay, yes, they went into production, but do they have any experience? Well, the executive chairman and major shareholder Joseph Carrabba worked for Newmont Mining, the largest gold producer in the world, and he resigned his position there to fully commit himself to Winston Gold. Based on current mining rates, they should be producing about 575 ounces of gold and over 10,000 ounces of silver per month, but they're still a long way off from full capacity. Most junior miners never go into production. They simply sell off to one of the larger mining companies, so it cannot be underestimated how exciting this is for Winston Gold. Now, if you haven't looked into them yet, I will put some links down below in the description with more information. Now, whenever I talk about mining companies, I have to mention they are more risky than investing in physical gold, but the profits can be higher as well, especially for a mining company that has gone into production. Let me give you an example. Let's say you buy a 1 ounce American Gold Buffalo for $2,000 and the price of gold goes up to $3,000. Well, you have now made a 50% profit on your investment. But for a mining company, which costs about $1,000 to get the gold out of the ground, their profits went from $1,000 to $2,000 with this price hike, and they now have a 100% increase, and so the shares could go up in value much faster than just your gold coins. Now, coming back to why gold is such a good investment in 2021, gold is considered a hedge against inflation and a safe haven asset. Obviously, I think we're going to have lots more inflation moving forward, and we will likely see the price of gold go up as a result. If you have any money in a savings account and a bank, then you're literally losing buying power year over year because of inflation. If you simply buy gold with that money, you've now converted your savings into essentially a gold savings account. This is essentially what I've been doing, but I do have a long way to go until I get to my own personal goal. When I first got into buying precious metals, I had bought about 1,000 ounces of silver before I ever even got into buying gold. Now, it can be daunting when you make that first $2,000 gold purchase, but I remember a few years back seeing gold at $1,200, and wow, I wish I had bought more back then. I think it's very possible that in a few years from now, you might be saying to yourself, I wish I had bought gold at $2,000. Now, the last thing I'll say in this video is that when you buy gold, you can actually look at it as not making a purchase, but rather just converting your fiat dollars into real money. Gold has been used as money for thousands and thousands of years, and honestly, once you start buying it, you're probably going to want to buy more. It is very fun to own, and honestly, it feels great in the hand. It's much heavier than you would expect it to feel. So even if you're not going to buy any, you should try to go to a local coin shop and just check some out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those down below in the comments section. I try to get to all of them. And again, if you want more information about Winston Gold, the links will be down below in the description. I want to say a massive thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.